What if I told you there's an easy-to-make wall art design quietly gaining attention on Etsy, and it's not even saturated? The best part? I found a free AI tool that makes it incredibly simple to recreate. In this video, I'll break down the product, show you how to design it using AI, and even how to make it print-ready for print on demand using Printify. This design style is called the Poire art style. It's elegant, whimsical, and full of delicate detail, blending soft pastel tones, subtle textures, and playful motifs to create a dreamy and charming visual experience. It feels light and sophisticated, often evoking a sense of nostalgia and gentle fantasy. And by searching it on Etsy, I discovered that listings within this design niche consistently earned a bestseller or popular now badge, which clearly indicates a strong demand for this style of product. For example, one of this design has been added to 15 people's cart, and looking at the reviews, I could easily confirm that buyers were craving for this type of design. Now here's the best part. According to Alura, this design was listed last year and has made some impressive numbers of sales and total revenue. Just imagine having a strong performing listing like this in your own store. For example, this seller has seen solid activity simply by focusing on designs within this niche. That kind of market validation suggests there's clear buyer interest, which can make this a good opportunity to explore. Looking closely at the listing, I noticed the seller offers the design as a digital product. While digital products are great, they can sometimes come with smaller margins. That usually means you need multiple listings to scale your results. But another approach is applying the same design to a physical wall art product. This allows you to reach both digital and physical buyers, which can expand your audience. Selling physical products is also more accessible than ever because you don't need to hold inventory or manage shipping when using a print-on-demand platform like Printify, which handles fulfillment for you. Etsy sellers can benefit from Printify's wide range of white-label products that are ready to customize with your designs. Even better, Printify integrates smoothly with popular store platforms, allowing you to create products inside the dashboard and have them appear in your store with just a few clicks. Printify also includes an AI assistant that helps streamline listing creation. The system analyzes similar listings in your niche and suggests structured titles, descriptions, and tags. This can help your listing communicate more clearly within marketplace search results. Another advantage is Printify's global network of print providers, which supports consistent production timelines and delivery reliability. Later in the video, I'll walk you through how to set this up step by step. Now, to generate a design inspired by this trend, I'll be testing free AI platforms to compare the results. This will give you a clearer idea of what each tool can produce. But before we jump into that, here's the prompt I created for this design. In a Poire art style, imagine a flower vase. But the downside to this prompt structure is that some platforms may struggle to generate images in this style. So instead of using it that way, I asked ChatGPT to clearly explain what the Poire art style represents. I then took that explanation and included it in my prompt. With this approach, you can generate the style more consistently across different platforms without running into generation issues. So I copied the prompt to Ideogram. Here you receive 10 free tokens for image creation. After pasting my prompt, I selected version 3.0, set the aspect ratio to portrait, and turned off magic prompt. After generating the image, this was the result. For the second platform, I used ChatGPT. I switched to image generation mode, pasted in my prompt, included the aspect ratio directly in the instructions, and this was the output produced. For the final free platform, I used Canva's Magic Media tool. Before generating images, I created a new project using a custom 2-free portrait format. Then I opened Magic Media, pasted my prompt, selected the aspect ratio, and generated the image. This was the result. Now, placing these results side by side, which one do you think performs best? But these aren't the only prompts I created. I also developed 100 additional prompts you can experiment with. On top of that, I assembled a wall art starter pack that includes 600 prompts, 25 wall art ready mockups, 10 thank you pages, and an SEO and art sizing guide to support your workflow. And a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for helping make this possible. Now that the design is ready, the next step is preparing it for printing using Printify. Before uploading, I enhanced the image resolution using Let's Enhance to reduce the risk of pixelation. After enhancement, I uploaded the design to Printify. Once your store is integrated, you can select a poster product and import your artwork into a white label item. Printify automatically fills in default product details to streamline setup. To improve discoverability, I use Printify's built-in AI tool to generate an optimized title, description, and searchable tags. Once everything was finalized, I published the listing. Finally, if you found this helpful, you can access my prompt list through the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.